Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com as well as your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. Weather will throw a lot at us over the next 36 hours or so. We do have some dense fog, and you can see that on a few of our cameras this morning. So some fog early today. The sunshine this afternoon could bring some record highs, and then tomorrow we do have a cold front on the way, which will bring some thunderstorms, and the thinking is still that we'll see maybe a handful of severe storms on Wednesday, so we'll get to that in just a moment. Today will be a very warm day. We'll be comfortably in the 60s early this morning, likely some fog out there through about 8 or 9 o'clock or so, and you can see the visibility has dropped to just 1 to 2 miles in quite a few locations here, so the fog will be all corners of the Arklatex today. Fog will probably be here through about 8:30 or 9 o'clock this morning, and then we'll start to see the clouds and the fog break above us, and should see enough sun this afternoon to give us a pretty warm day. Most of us in the 60s. There is some cooler air there in Arkansas. You're down to 46 in DeQueen this morning. Cold front continues to push just northeast of the region, so we're not going to feel any of the cool air today, but the front just temporarily drying us out. So you can see all the rain that did pop up late yesterday is now pushed to the east here. We're on the dry side of the front today, so no rain in today's forecast, and with more sun popping out this afternoon should boost us into the 70s, and a pretty good chance there will be some areas here that make a run at 80. 79 would tie the record today in Shreveport. The record is also 79 in Texarkana, but you'll likely come in just a few degrees below that. Next storm system getting wound up over here in the desert southwest. This area of low pressure will drag a cold front across the Arklatex tomorrow. Storm Prediction Center has kind of nudged that slight risk further to the east. So what we're looking at as far as the severe weather setup, kind of low end potential for severe weather in Texas as well as Arkansas, but these storms will really tap into some warm air early tomorrow afternoon in northwest Louisiana. So the thinking is that we could still see a few storms capable of some damaging wind gusts, and the threat for tornadoes, it's not zero, it is low, but we can't rule out maybe 1 or 2 tornadoes down here in northwest Louisiana as well, and that would mainly be between about noon and 5 p.m. on Wednesday. So look at your Robin's Toyota Futurecast. You can see today the fog and clouds go away. Plenty of sun out there this afternoon, and we may begin to pick up some rain tonight, but it looks like any of these showers early tomorrow morning will be just that, just kind of a gentle rain early in the day tomorrow. And here's the cold front, so you can see those storms really starting to pop up late morning, early afternoon, and again they'll tap into some better energy here in Louisiana. We're actually showing the front all the way through by about 3 or 4 in the afternoon, so again we hope the front gets through here quickly because there is some potential to see some heavy rain as well. But if we can get the front through in just a few hours here, potentially could avoid any flash flood threat. And Futurecast, at least our in-house model here, is showing about 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of rain, but there are still some forecast models that show some areas maybe picking up 1 to 2 inches of rain, and that's not it. We'll actually see some more rain come back over the weekend. So again, a couple of warm days here, followed by a cool down Thursday and Friday. Do have some rain coming in this weekend. Looks like it could be a steadier rain late in the day Saturday. So no severe weather given the cool temperatures, but may see some decent rain Saturday into Saturday night. We kind of salvage the weekend with things drying out on Sunday and staying cool, it looks like, through the weekend and for much of next week as well.